Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. This afternoon I'd like to talk to you about this beautiful Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This is in the beautiful Abaco Blue color, set up to go fishing. Come check it out with me. This boat's set up for pleasure and fishing. Some people say that's the same thing. This boat's ready to go either fishing or towing the grandkids around the lake. We've got the tow bar. The boat's powered by a 115 Mercury outboard. We've got the seating, which is removable, so you can take this seat back out. Then you've got two rod holders. This cushion comes out. You can make this boat a fishing weapon, or you can keep it luxurious, fun for the whole family. You've got a forward, rearward facing seat here with a livewell underneath. Then at the helm, you've got a Simrad for your gauges. You've got a JL audio sound system. It's got a compass so you don't get lost. Up front, we've got the sun pads covering over where your anchor locker and another storage area is. You've got a cooler for sitting facing forward, keeping your catch in there or your drinks so that you can stay cool. More rod holders. This boat is set up to have a great time.